Have you ever wondered why fireflies glow in the dark? Welcome to the enchanting world of fireflies, a magical realm where these tiny creatures paint the night with their luminescent light, creating a spectacle that is nothing short of mesmerizing. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are not actually flies at all, but beetles from the family Lampyridae. These unique creatures have a soft, delicate body and wings that, when spread, reveal a captivating glow. This glow is the product of a fascinating process known as bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon that allows them to produce and emit light. But more on that later. These insects are found in a variety of habitats worldwide, from the dense forests of Asia to the sprawling fields of North America, from the lush wetlands of South America to the grassy plains of Africa. Fireflies have made themselves at home. Each habitat presents a unique set of conditions, and fireflies have adapted accordingly to survive and thrive in these diverse environments. But what makes fireflies truly remarkable is their sheer diversity. With over 2,000 species scattered across the globe, each type of firefly has its own distinct characteristics. Some flash their lights in quick successions, others in slow, languid patterns. Some emit a soft yellow light, others a bright green. This variety in light patterns and colors is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in the lives of fireflies, especially when it comes to communication and finding a mate. Fireflies are truly one of nature's most enchanting spectacles. Their glowing dance at dusk is a sight to behold, a magical display that captures the imagination and fills us with wonder. These remarkable insects are found in various habitats worldwide, from forests and fields to wetlands and grasslands. As we delve deeper into the world of fireflies, we will uncover more about their fascinating lives, the challenges they face, and what we can do to ensure their survival. Stay tuned for an illuminating journey into the world of fireflies. One of the most fascinating aspects of fireflies is their bioluminescent glow. This enchanting light show is a result of a remarkable process that takes place within the firefly's body. Bioluminescence, from the Greek bio meaning life and lumen meaning light, is the production and emission of light by a living organism, and fireflies are masters of it. In the case of fireflies, the light originates from a specialized structure in their abdomen called a lantern. This is no ordinary light, but a cool light, which means it doesn't produce any heat. Amazing, isn't it? The firefly's glow is a result of a chemical reaction involving a compound called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, and oxygen. This interaction produces light, and the firefly can control it by managing the oxygen supply. But why do fireflies glow, you might wonder? Well, the primary reason is communication. Each species of firefly has a distinct flash pattern. These patterns are like a secret code, a language that only fireflies of the same species can understand. Male fireflies take to the air and emit a series of flashes. Females perched nearby, if they're interested, respond with their own unique flash. It's a magical, twinkling conversation that, to us, simply looks like a beautiful light show. Fireflies also use their glow for defensive purposes. The light acts as a warning signal to potential predators. Many fireflies contain nasty-tasting chemicals, and their light advertises this fact, essentially telling predators, "I'm not a tasty treat." But the glow of fireflies serves another important purpose. It brings joy and wonder to us human observers. There's something undeniably magical about a summer night filled with the gentle glow of fireflies, a scene that reminds us of the beauty and mystery of nature. This light is used for communication, attracting mates, and warning predators. So, the next time you see a firefly, take a moment to appreciate not just its beauty, but also its complex, fascinating biology. Did you know that fireflies are also important indicators of environmental health? Yes, you heard it right. These fascinating creatures don't just light up our nights, but they also provide crucial insights into the well-being of our ecosystems. Fireflies thrive in a variety of habitats, from forests and fields to wetlands and grasslands. However, their presence or absence can tell us a lot about the condition of these ecosystems. You see, fireflies need specific conditions to survive and reproduce. They require moist environments, adequate food supply, and a dark night sky for their mating rituals. If these conditions are compromised, it can lead to a decline in firefly populations. For instance, the larvae of many firefly species are aquatic or semi-aquatic, indicating the quality of water in the environment. If the water is polluted, the larvae may not survive, leading to a decrease in the number of fireflies. Similarly, adult fireflies feed on nectar and pollen, and a decrease in plant diversity can impact their food supply. Furthermore, fireflies use their bioluminescent glow to communicate and attract mates. Light pollution, caused by excessive or misdirected artificial light, can interfere with this communication, disrupting firefly mating and ultimately their reproduction. So, if we start noticing fewer fireflies, it could be a signal of environmental disturbances. It might indicate that the quality of habitats is diminishing, pollution levels are increasing, or biodiversity is decreasing. In other words, fireflies act as a sort of environmental alarm system, their dwindling numbers a warning sign that all is not well in our ecosystems. Therefore, monitoring firefly populations can help us understand the health of our environment and highlight areas that need conservation action. It's a reminder that we need to pay attention to these magical creatures because their fate is intricately tied to the health of our planet. Declines in firefly populations may indicate environmental disturbances and the need for conservation action. By understanding and responding to these signs, we can help ensure that fireflies continue to light up our nights for generations to come. However, fireflies face numerous threats in today's world. These tiny lanterns of the night are fighting a battle against numerous challenges, many of which are sadly human-induced. The first and perhaps most devastating threat is habitat loss. Fireflies are creatures of the night. They thrive in dark, damp environments. As we continue to expand our urban territories, forests are being cleared, wetlands drained, and grasslands converted into agricultural lands. This widespread degradation and fragmentation of natural habitats is causing a sharp decline in firefly populations. Next up is light pollution. Imagine trying to find your way home or attract a mate in an environment that's perpetually bathed in artificial light. Sounds difficult, doesn't it? This is the reality for fireflies in areas affected by light pollution. Their bioluminescent signals get lost in the ambient light, disrupting their mating behavior and navigation. Pesticide use poses yet another threat. Many fireflies spend a significant portion of their life cycle in the soil and water, where they are highly susceptible to pesticides and other chemicals. These toxic substances can kill fireflies outright or impair their development and reproduction. Lastly, we have climate change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the length and timing of firefly breeding seasons. Warmer temperatures can also increase the metabolic rates of fireflies, causing them to burn out their light-producing chemicals faster and shortening their adult lifespan. In a nutshell, these threats are not only endangering the survival of fireflies, but they are also disturbing the delicate balance of nocturnal ecosystems. Fireflies are integral parts of these ecosystems, playing vital roles in nutrient cycling and food chains. When firefly populations decline, it can lead to imbalances in these systems and trigger cascading effects on other species. These threats can disrupt firefly populations and have cascading effects on nocturnal ecosystems. As we delve deeper into the twilight world of fireflies, it becomes increasingly clear that their struggle for survival is not just their fight, but ours too. After all, a world without the magical glow of fireflies would undoubtedly be a less enchanting place. As stewards of the environment, it is our responsibility to protect these enchanting creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. Fireflies, with their ethereal glow and essential ecological role, are deserving of our utmost care and attention. Conservation efforts for fireflies are multifaceted and involve various strategies. One of the most significant is habitat preservation. Fireflies thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, fields, wetlands, and grasslands. Protecting these spaces from destruction is fundamental to the survival of firefly populations. This can be achieved through policies that limit deforestation and development, as well as initiatives that restore and rehabilitate damaged habitats. However, habitat preservation alone is not enough. The reduction of light pollution is another crucial aspect of firefly conservation. Excessive artificial lighting can disrupt firefly mating rituals, which largely rely on their bioluminescent signals. By limiting unnecessary outdoor lighting, especially during peak firefly activity, we can create more favorable conditions for these insects to thrive. Pesticide use is another human activity that can harm fireflies. These chemicals can kill fireflies directly or indirectly by reducing their food supply. Promoting organic farming practices and responsible pesticide use can help to mitigate this threat. Finally, raising awareness about firefly conservation is essential. Many people are unaware of the threats facing fireflies and the importance of these insects to our ecosystems. Education campaigns can help to inform the public and inspire action. Firefly conservation is not just about the fireflies themselves. It's about preserving the magic of our nightscapes, maintaining the health of our ecosystems, and ensuring a future where the glow of fireflies continues to inspire wonder and awe. By working together to address these challenges, we can ensure that fireflies continue to light up our nights and inspire wonder and awe in future generations.